Good morning to all. How are you all? Yes, I hope we all are keeping fit and healthy. Okay, children. So, I am Jismi and I am going to teach you computer. Okay. So, as you all know, you might have seen your previous video where you have learnt about formatting data in Excel 2016, how we are going to work with Excel. Okay. So, today this is the second part where you are going to learn about alignment. You know what is alignment? You know, in school when you're standing in an assembly, your monitor or your class teachers ask you to keep a proper line, stand in that line. Yeah, this is how your teacher asks us to say. So, similarly, when you're working with this, we have alignment. Okay, in alignment refers to the position. It refers to the position where you want the data to be kept. Okay, you want your data on your left, you want your data on your right, you want your data in the center. Okay, so what is the position that you want for the data? That is alignment. You are positioning the data within your Excel cell. Okay, have you seen your Excel sheet? Yes, this is your Excel sheet. Okay, so within this Excel sheet, suppose over here I am giving Christ School. Okay, so over here above, suppose I am giving the number as the size of my effect as 28. Okay, and here I am writing Christ School. Okay, so when I am writing Christ School, let's change the font. I am increasing it so that it's more visible. Alright? Okay, so this is what? This is an Excel sheet where I have given the first cell a name, that is Christ School. So I have written Christ School within the first cell. Okay, when I have written Christ School within the first cell, I see that the Christ School is having the font as Calibri. The font size is 48. Okay, so this is it. Now what is alignment? Alignment is position of the cell. Can you see this? We have top align. Okay, I'm moving the cursor to the next one. You can see middle align. Okay, let's click on it and see. So this is top align. If I click on middle, you can see the content is coming to the middle. Visible? Yeah. So we have Christ School over there. Next, suppose I am clicking on the third one where I have bottom. So you can see it is shifting to the bottom part of the cell. Yeah. So within the cell, it's changing the position. If I am going to left, it's moving to the left. If I am going to center, coming over to the center character. Okay. And if I am going right, it's coming over to the right. Okay. So we have top, we have middle, we have bottom. Okay. We have left, we have center, and we have right. Total we have 6 alignments with us. Okay. So you can see our text is always on the left alignment. See, by default when you are working with this, you can see the text is always on the left. Suppose I am writing a number. I write 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. And you can see the number is always on the right side. Okay, so the number is always on the right alignment. The text is always on the left. This is a by default part. Okay, you can change it whenever you want, but this is the default pattern that it uses. Then we have vertical alignment. What are the vertical alignments? We have 3 types of vertical alignment: top, middle, and bottom. See, we have seen it over here. top, we have top, we have middle, and we have bottom. Okay, this is a three vertical alignment. Okay, and horizontal. Horizontal means we have rows. Vertical means column wise. Okay, so horizontal alignment we have again three: left, center, right. Left, center, right. See, you can see it over here. This is the three alignments that we have horizontal. Left, are you able to see? It's changing to the left. And we have center, and then we have towards the right. Okay, children? So, that is it. So, this is what alignment is. Alignment is within the particular cell, you are setting up how the content has to be seen. वो जो text आपने लिखा है ना, वो कौन से position पे होना चाहिए? ऊपर या बीच में या नीचे या on your left या center या right. Okay, so this is what you're deciding where I want my text to be, and this is alignment. Okay, coming over to the next point, we have orientation. Okay, orientation is the part where it's relating that what is the direction that you want. See, already we learned where the alignment has to be: left, center, right, top, middle, bottom. Okay, we learned about it. But what is the position that do you want it in slant? Okay, do you want it in 90 degree? Do you want it in 40 degree? What is the position you want? Suppose we have something, you want to create an emblem, so you want it in a semicircle position. Okay, so in those ways, that is what orientation of the text. By default, you can say usually the orientation is always in a horizontal way. Okay, आप देख रहे हो ना कि यहाँ पे जो भी टेक्स्ट आपने लिखा है, that is always in horizontal way. ये जो आप देख रहे हो ना, that is already in a horizontal way. आप इसको change करना चाहते हो, so this is orientation. Okay, see when you move your cursor on that, you can see it's orientation. Within orientation, we have angle counterclockwise, angle clockwise, vertical text, rotate text up, rotate text down, and format cell alignment. Okay, so here when we are going on angle counter clockwise, आप देख सकते हैं it's positioning the upwards. It's clockwise. If again I want to change it, I click on angle clockwise and it will change to the down position. So that's topwards, this is downwards. Okay. So here we have all the positions. Next, suppose I'm going for vertical text. So you can see my text is in vertical position. यानी कि column wise position पे है. Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4. जो मैंने लिखा है ना, वो ऐसे नीचे को आ गया. It's in a vertical position. Okay. Let's go for the next. See, you have to try this out. Okay, आपके पास systems है, आप उसमें try करो, or you can try it on your mobile phone. I'll show you how we are going to do it even on your mobile phones. Okay, so here we have the next one where we are having the 4th point, that is rotate text upwards. Okay, मतलब देखो number हमेशा कहाँ होता है? वो हमेशा अपने right side होता है. ये by default position है इसका. So on the right side it's there and it's rotate upwards. It's going upwards. So you can see 1, 2, 3, 4. It's in upward positions. Okay. Next we have rotate text down. Now I know some of you can guess it out. What is text down? Yes. Keep it up. Very good. When you say text down, it is reverse order. See, I'll show you. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, पहले मैंने जो देखा it was 1, 2, 3, 4. When it's that was upwards, this is downwards. Okay, and next. So here we have format the cell alignment, and over here this is also orientation. आप उसको कोई भी direction में घुमाओ, आपको पता टेक्स्ट को किस डायरेक्शन पे रखना है. See, if I'm changing my position, it's going to be turned. You see? Yeah. Okay. So this is. आप सोच रहे होंगे, where are we going to use this? Okay. I'll tell you. Suppose you are creating a logo. आपने Christ School का logo देखा है? Yes. Do you remember how it looks like? Yeah, it's in a circle position. Okay, I'll show you. I have the logo with me. I'll just show you up. Okay, suppose you are going to create this logo. How are you going to create it? You have seen that the text is in a semicircle position. So this is what? This is orientation. Yes, we already know how to write text within the cell, but how to write the text in a semi position, that is orientation. Okay, so alignment देख लिया. alignment यानी वो decide करता है कौन से position पे अपन को text चाहिए. Okay, orientation decide करता है आपको कौन से shape में चाहिए. Okay, so that is text and orientation. So you can also try for creating a logo. Yeah, you can also try for creating Christ School Adipur in a semicircle way after learning this. All right. So this is about orientation. So my dear children, first we discussed about alignment, then we discussed about orientation. See, within alignment, as I told you, we have two parts, vertical and horizontal. Within vertical we have top, middle, bottom. Within horizontal we have left, center and right. Similarly, within orientation we have different parts, that is counter clockwise. ठीक है, आपने देखा नीचे से ऊपर को जा रहा है. Okay, then we saw clockwise downwards, because clockwise is always to the right side position, so it's tilting to the right. Okay, vertical, rotate upwards, rotate text downwards. Okay, so these are the different types of orientations that we have. Okay, so see children, I'm also going to show you how we are going to work the same Excel in your mobile phone, because I know most of you might not be having computers, laptops at your home. So there won't be an excuse that ma'am, I don't know how to work with computer. No, you can learn it also through your mobile phones. Okay, so if you have your mobile phones, take it out. Click on Excel application. You have Microsoft Excel application. Okay, if you don't have, you can download it from your Play Stores. Okay, so after going there, click over here, the plus sign on the top. Okay, when you click on the plus sign on the top, you'll get a window where it's showing about the blank Excel document. Okay, that's a new page. जैसे अपन ने इधर new page देखा ना file पे, similarly you are having a new page on your mobile phone. Okay, so here click on the blank document. Okay, you can see the same screen as you saw on the screen, laptop or computer. Okay, same you have it on your mobile phone also. Over there, downwards, you can see an arrow button. A small arrow button will be there. Okay, click on there and it will pop down, drop down all those windows, those you have on the menus. That is home, insert, design, format, everything. Those menus we have for Excel will be same displayed when you will be clicking on the down arrow. Okay, so within home, when you click on home, you can see all those menus over there. Okay, so it's the same. It's the same as you see on the desktop screen. So over here, what we are going to do, we are going to learn how we are going to work with alignment and orientation. Okay, so clicking over home, just go upwards. Okay, over here within your first text box, click over there, edit. You can see when you click over there, you can see few options. Click on edit and write Christ School. Okay, when you've written Christ School, click outside or click any other cells. It will be edit will be stopped. Okay, when you're after there, you can go back and you can see the below window you have seen those alignments over there. What were the alignments? Yes, we had two parts, that is vertical and horizontal. So over here you can see we have top, center, okay, top, middle, bottom, left, center, right. Okay, you can see it on the screen how it's changing. Okay, do practice it on your phones or on your laptops. Okay, and you can practice it that these are the 6 types of alignments that we have. You can see the text is finished. Okay, so similarly for the orientation also you can use on your phones. Okay, so you'll be ready with that. Okay, so as we are done with your mobile phones, we have learned how we are going to work with Excel, alignment orientation, similarly on your desktop. So here I have a few short work for you. Okay, this is your worksheet. Okay, I'll send you the PDF on your Microsoft Teams. Okay, over here you can see your true and false. You have 3 questions you are having. The first one, orientation menu in the font group on the home tab. Where do you find the orientation menu? Okay. Second, what is the background color? Can you change it or not? Okay. Third one, alignment refers. This is the definition for alignment. So just think about it and answer it. Okay. This is your homework you can do. Next, you have to give me 2 differences between orientation and alignment. I've already explained you what is it. Okay. When we are meeting up for the online class, we'll discuss more about it. Okay. So children, till then, have a nice day. Bye. Take